Bismillah, assalamu alaikum. You are welcome. So to insert a record into a table, you type in the statement. As you can see, we have empty table here. So this is the statement to insert a record into the table. We have insert, let me zoom in. So we have insert into test table, names, column, DOB column, sex column. So the first encoded values here goes into the names, the second one to here goes into the DOB, while the third one goes into the sex. So here we are not adding ID column. We are not adding the ID column here because we assign an auto increment to it. So once we inserted this record, it's automatically increment. So let me on your keyboard press Ctrl plus the Enter key. So it says one row inserted. So let's check. So as you can see, we have our record here. So let me add additional record. So here we are inserting through a record. So this is the first row and this is the second row. So you can add multiple. So all you have to do is separate it with comma. So Control Enter. It says 2 rows inserted. So let's check. Let me zoom out. So we have 3 records in our table now. So that's how you insert record into your table. So now how do we delete record? If you want to delete record, let's assume that okay, we want to delete this record on the ID number 2. So all you have to do is type in this statement. Let me clear. You use a delete keyword. So we say delete from the test table where ID equal to 2, where ID equal to 2. Control and Enter. So here we have a message. Do you really want to execute delete from test table where ID equals to 2? Click OK. So let's check. So the record on the ID 2 has been deleted. So how do you delete the whole record? You type in the following statement. So here we are not using the where clause, so you just say delete from test table. Click OK. So it says 2 rows affected. So let's check. So we have nothing in our table. So I'll see you in the next lesson. Bismillah, assalamu alaikum. You're welcome. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert record into table through the PHP script. So as you can see, we have empty record in table here. So let's begin. So head over to our VS Code. So the database. So I'm going to create a function called insert. So this insert record is going to take 3 arguments. First argument is the table name. Short table column. Table value. So the function is going to take 3 arguments: the table name, the table column, and the table value. So now let me copy some code here. So we have all this connection to the MySQL server. So here is the thing. In this statement, the column name should be something like username, comma, then password. Why the values will be something like this in quotation? Let's say so, and this function is going to take in an array. The table column is going to take in an array and the value too. So there is a method where I'm going to use here, which will do the work for us. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to use the include method. So this is going to include concatenate or the column table column with comma, and this too. So let me show you what I mean. Let me show you the output. So from the index page, I'm going to call in the function. Which is going to take in the table name, login, and the column name, the house username, and the password. And the last one, which is the column value. Password. So calling the function here. So here you can see I have the start into login table. We have the username with the comma. So this is the work of the inflow, then password. But in the values here, we have an issue here. So all these values has to be encoded in a single code. So let's work on that now. So there's a method I'm going to use here. Let me call this I'm going to map the record using the array map. So what I'm going to map is I'm going to map this is our return value. And this is what is going to map. So we have the callback function here, which is going to map the value with single quote. It's going to map all this whatever it is in the table value and map it with single quote. So now here in the include function, so I'm going to call the map the record here. So let's see what we have. So as you can see here now, we have our username, password, then the values which are inputted in. This is the name and this is the password. Let me clear my console. So I'm going to call. Let's check our database table. As you can see, we have empty record. So I'm going to run the script now. Say record added successfully. So let's check. So reload. So as you can see, we have our value. We have our value here. So let me add another record. Run the script. Let's check. Reload. So we have everything in our table. Thanks for watching. I see you in the next video.